the problem. The diameter of the cone is given as 10.5 centimeter. So if I extract all this data, the diameter is 10.5 centimeter. So radius can be written as diameter by 2, which is 10.5 by 2, so centimeter, and the strand height, which is represented by L, is 10 centimeter. They are asking us to find the curved surface area. Okay, the formula for finding the curved surface area is pi RL. If I redraw the figure for you, this is the circular part of this particular cone, which is also called the base of the cone. Here they specifically meant about the curved surface area of the cone. So we are going to find the area of this portion and this curved portions only. So few important terms that we need to understand. This side is called as strand height and represented by L. And here, if you understand this, if you consider this to be the center of this circle, this becomes the radius, and this is the height of this cone. If you visualize this, this is nothing but a right angle triangle, which turns out to be. Already you understood from the definition of the cone that this was formed by rotating a right triangle around its perpendicular side. So yes, this is how it look like. The strand side is nothing but L. This is the height of the cone, and this is the radius of the cone. This will be very much helpful going forward solving the rest of the problem. So now the pi value, in case they do not mention in the question, we will assume the pi value to be 22 by 7, and radius is known, L is also known. We are going to see the calculation for this. You can see the diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5, so the radius is 5.25, as well as the strand height is 10 centimeter. Applying the formula curved surface area of a cone, it's pi RL. Going ahead with the calculation, the curved surface area of cone is 165 centimeter